Today we're going to be talking about Seamoss. Now, what the heck is Seamoss? Seamoss is basically a spiny sea vegetable, and it's currently being popularized for its plethora of health benefits. But something that a lot of people don't know, it's been used for ages as a thickening agent in a lot of your favorite foods. Things like cottage cheese, ice cream, even baby formula. And that is because it's the only source of a natural thickening agent called carrageenan. Now, Seamoss is an algae that tends to grow along the coastlines of North America and Europe, and it comes in a wide variety of colors like red, green, black, and even brown. Now, the main reason people consume this is because it's packed full of a variety of nutrients. It has calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, and most of all, it contains 92 out of the essential 102 minerals that our bodies need. Now, these micronutrients are very crucial in maintaining a healthy body, and this is the main reason why it is labeled a superfood. Now, let's talk about some of the potential benefits of Seamoss. Since Seamoss is rich in iodine, it supports thyroid health. Now, Seamoss may also support a strong immunity, and this is because it improves your immune modulation and immune response. Another current craze is healthy gut biome. That is because a large portion of our serotonin is created in our gut, and if you have bad gut health, this can contribute to you being sad, lazier, hungrier, and not functioning optimally. And the fact that Seamoss is very rich in fiber, this can also help in losing weight. There are also some studies that show that Seamoss can help with your heart health. And this is because Seamoss can potentially reduce LDL. Now, there's two types of cholesterol. There's LDL and HDL, and high levels of LDL is typically the bad type. Seamoss can also help thin the blood, which makes our heart work less to pump that blood throughout the body, also improving circulation. There's also a study that shows that Seamoss can potentially improve blood sugar, and that is because it has a compound called fucoxanthin. Another study also found that seaweed has a compound called alginate, which prevents blood sugar spikes. Now, these blood sugar spikes result in you being hungrier, more tired, and having a normal sugar level throughout the day is much more beneficial to you. There's also some anecdotal evidence showing that Seamoss can help with fertility, but more research needs to be done on that. Now, one of the downsides of Seamoss is the levels of iodine you get from Seamoss can vary greatly. This means you will be either underdosing or overdosing with iodine, and this can affect your thyroid health. There's also some risk of having heavy metals in Seamoss because seaweed is known to absorb heavy metals in the water, which is abundant due to big businesses polluting the ocean. So how do we prepare Seamoss? So once you buy the Seamoss, it typically comes in the dry form, and you have to make it into a gel before you consume it. Some people just like to take the dry Seamoss and add it to their smoothies, and others like to make a large portion of the gel and they just take a tablespoon in the morning. So whatever works for you and you can do consistently is the method you should choose. Just know that if you turn it into the gel form, it's only good for about 3 to 5 days. So only make enough of the gel version that you will consume within that time frame. So now you're asking, should I get Seamoss? My answer is, it's up to you. I personally would not get it only because a lot of these sources for Seamoss are very sketchy. You don't know what you're getting. You don't know the quality of the product. There's no standardized testing for it. So I would stay away from it. But if you have a reputable source, then knock yourself out. Now, if you guys have any other questions, comments, or any ideas that you want to see in future videos, don't be afraid to comment down below and I'll make sure I get back to you. I try to reply to every comment, so look forward to that. This is Majillian, aka Brown Rice Bandit from the Iron Lion Nation. Hope you guys have a great day.